All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So open, open, not closed, unavailable for people. It is an open book, not closed. So that is an open shop. I have an open book. She is reading from her open book. Yes, open. These are all open books. Yes, very good. Did you see the open hole there? Did you see the open hole there? That was an open gate. Wide open. It was wide open. Yeah. He travelled the open sea. Open sea. Nothing in his way but the ocean. We liked the open bar because we could drink anything we wanted. Yes. How cool is that? We are walking across the open room. This room is open. Go across. Do you think the door will be opened? Will be open? No way. Why would they leave an open door like this? But the door's open. Why would they leave it like that? She is going into the open building. Yes. There is an open day, so people are looking at the office spaces available. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use open in a sentence, language explorers? And can you comment it below? Write it in the comments. And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev on YouTube, Facebook or Telegram, and Udemy as well. English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that? Let's keep exploring.